हेलो डियर लर्नर्स, आज हम एक डिबेट कंपटीशन स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं जो कि ए टीम के कैप्टन है अनंत प्रताप सिंह भदौरिया और बी टीम के कैप्टन है जो कि है कृष्णा सिंह मल्होत्रा। तो हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं एक डिबेट कंपटीशन जो कि रहेगा टॉलीवुड वर्सेस बॉलीवुड। ओके, व्हाट टॉपिक वुड यू लाइक टू स्पीक ऑन?
Bollywood.
ओके, एंड यू कृष्णा?
The rest left is Tollywood, so we will speak on Tollywood.
वेरी गुड। ओके, तो हम इस डिबेट कंपटीशन को आगे बढ़ाते हैं। ओके प्लीज। ओके स्टार्ट।
Good evening. That Bollywood has the highest grossing film of all time is Jungle with the budget of 2025 crores.
But we can see that the Bollywood pictures right now coming are not doing so well that the Tollywood pictures are doing. You can take an example of Sikandar movie from Bollywood, which don't even make any sense of a storyline. So we can clearly see the lack of story skills in directors of Bollywood. But on the other hand, we can see that the pictures of Tollywood, just like Pushpa 2 and Pushpa KGF, they are prime example of storylines and pictures that people like to see right now.
You are saying the Sikandar movie had doesn't sense, but recently one more movie has come, Good Bad Ugly, and the same review is also from there. It also not makes sense until lack of VFX and the storylines. So it's not that only Bollywood movie is not making sense. Tollywood is also not making sense.
But you can see the number of movies which are not making sense in Bollywood. Even people are trolling them on social media by saying that they don't even know they lack story skills and writing skills right now. I'm not talking about the previous decades,
Yes,
but
yes.
In this 2000s era, Bollywood's movie are not doing that well that they did in previous years.
So you can see also the Martin movie, which also troll very on social media, because in the Martin movie the hero only scares everyone. Nothing do. He doesn't have the lack of senses of acting. How do he act? And you are saying that movie of Bollywood is not doing well. You can see the Pathan, Jawan also. It earns the 1,000 crores in the one single year.
Objection.
Yes.
But you can see very so many movies which are competing just like Hollywood movies to Indian cinema, just like Bahubali, Pushpa, KGF. They are prime example of making thousands of crores of revenue just in 2 or 3 days of their launches.
But the Pushpa 2 is also showing their fake budget, fake collection also, fake collection posters on social media that they cross the 2,000 crores. They become the first grossing movie of India. So why they are showing the fake collection to the peoples?
It's everyone's dependency that what they think about any movie or someone's idea is about that movie. But you can also see the IMDb rating of movies that Bollywood launching now and Tollywood launching now. But the ratings of Bollywood and Tollywood, when compared, Tollywood clearly wins and dominates the Bollywood movies.
Uh, Now my friend Bridges will talk.
Okay. Hello, as you know my name, he already tell. As you all know my name, okay, we are talking about Bollywood and Tollywood. What your suggestion about Tollywood? Can you tell me again?
I told him that when compared with the IMDb ratings, which decides which movie is performing well by giving ratings them out of 10. So when they are compared, when Bollywood and Tollywood both are compared, Bollywood clearly is defeated by the Tollywood, and Tollywood dominates the Bollywood movie right now.
Okay.
Now, my
Okay, but so many actors of Tollywood has also come in Bollywood movie for performing their experience. Yeah.
Yeah, you are saying that the Tollywood actors are coming in the Bollywood, but it is not about the revenue because Tollywood movies are more better than the Bollywoods. as you know, there are many scenes in Bollywood movies which are not able to see kids, and there are a lot of scenes which are very bad in Bollywood movies, and you cannot count them. And in the Tollywood movies, there are many beautiful and good scenes which are able to see kids. And as you know, this is India, and every parents say their kids to watch new and good and best videos and movies. But Bollywood are not making like that.
But no, you're not right. But Bollywood also making that some special scenes of their that's are good for childs.
Yeah, that's are good outside, but the quantity of the scenes are very low instead of the scenes which are very bad. And in the Tollywood, there are a lot of scenes which are good and inspirational for kids as compared to the Bollywood.
But Tollywood also have that type of scenes.
Yeah, you can
In
tell me
that
the you
movie.
can tell me the movie in which there are a lot of bad scenes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm telling the Marco film, which is the brutalist film.
Yeah.
It's not. It's also not watchable for kids. Okay. Yes. Would you want to take some point?
No, not right now. You can speak now.
Okay.
You can speak right now.
Okay. I see that you know the Bollywood has welcoming the your heroes of Tollywood like Pravas, Allu Arjun also. He also take the chance to get a film with Imtiaz Ali. I think
Yes,
the
we
rumors
did.
are rooming. So, so what's uh, what's the point to say on this topic?
The point is we don't really have a point on this thing. On this thing, we don't really have a point, and I can't really say anything about it. Would you mind? If you don't mind, can you? I mind. I will pass it.
Yes, 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 sir.
Listen,
Yes, yes.
you are saying that Bollywood actors are coming in the
Yeah,
Tollywood
yeah.
to meet there.
Yeah.
But Bollywood actors are coming to meet the female actors in the Tollywood, as you know. And Rashmika Mandanna, who is the crush of all India, as well as the Bollywood actors, as you know, Shah Rukh Khan and Salman Khan.
Rashmika Mandanna come to Bollywood, not Bollywood go to Rashmika Mandanna.
No, but he was called. She was called.
I don't think so.
Bollywood actors and their directors invited Rashmika Mandanna to meet them.
So, like A.R. Murugadoss. A.R. Murugadoss is the director of Ghajini film of Tollywood. Yeah. He started the Ghajini film with featuring the Surya in it. So why did he make Sikandar, as a friend said that Sikandar has doesn't lack of sense of it means it not make sense film. So why did the Tollywood director make this film?
He said right. Okay, because Bollywood movies are seriously has a lack of sense.
But the writing of that film is the director also listened the writing.
Yeah.
So why did he allow to, yes, I will direct this film? Why? He can also deny that, na? Yes. Yes, Manotara.
So you said that first of all he made a Ghazni movie,
Yes.
then he made
Sikandar.
Sikandar.
Yes.
Okay. You are saying that that he made one movie, a great movie, and one movie
Yeah.
even. You are agreeing to the point that Sikandar movie does not have any sense.
It's not the blame of that Salman Khan. He's an actor.
I am not blaming him. I am not blaming him.
I know you are not blaming him, but I'm saying that he's not the mistake of Salman Khan. The A.R. Murugadoss also denied that I don't like the script. I will not direct this film or that.
First of all, listen to the point that
Yes.
that a movie is made by a group of people, not only a one people. Not only if a director had written a movie on his writings,
Yeah.
then he would like to invite actors and so many people. Then actors also they agree. Then they make movies. then why did Salman Khan agree to the writings of that writing of that type of movie? Uh, Already it is not being liked by the people. Then Salman Khan also has a experience of so many years in Bollywood, and he also had made great movies. Then why did he choose a movie like this? This shows that there is a lack of movies or work for actors right now in Bollywood.
It's not so that there is no work for Bollywood hero and heroines. Uh, that you are saying that Salman Khan doesn't. Yes, I agree with that point that he denied it. Okay, but he also conveyed that it's my mistake to featuring in Sikandar movie. He also
No,
gave an interview.
my point was that actors are not having so many choices to the films. This means there are not many writings or films that are being produced in a year in Bollywood. But in Tollywood, you can see a number of films which are being released in just 1 year.
But the many of films they have only repetitive storylines, like the hero will win and villain will lose always. The heroine will love the hero, not the villain. That same repetitive story we will see in the whole in the this era and into after lockdown.
But this ideology has also come from Bollywood. They started this type of storylines, like people say that ये तो Bollywood story है ऐसा करके. People say like this. When a story goes on, then like a lover loves a girl and
Yeah,
then
yeah, yeah.
fight for it and thus win it. Uh, this ideology has come from Bollywood, not Tollywood. And you can see that Tollywood is small part of India. Bollywood covers the whole India. I'll clearly say that. But right now, Tollywood clearly dominates the Bollywood cinema. Right now, Bollywood is not performing as level of Tollywood cinema.
Let us give us girls.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Right. Mostly Bollywood movies make about a real life, like MS Dhoni Untold Story and Mission Mangal. But not Tollywood. Mostly not Tollywood movies make about real life.
No, this is not correct. I agree that Bollywood movies are inspirational, but less in number, because there are much number that Bollywood movie makes romantic movies.
No,
Yeah.
not only romantic movies. Most of the movies are inspirations.
Not most, less in number that are
So
inspirational.
you have any example for Tollywood movie about a real life?
Yeah, I can. Not a real life, but it is inspirational.
What movie?
Motivational movies.
Bollywood movie and 12 fail.
I can agree, but there are less number.
No.
Yeah.
So, but some movies are make about real life, like 12 fail, MS Dhoni, Mission Mangal, but not. But in Tollywood, what movie make about real life?
There are in Tollywood there are movies that are.
But not make about real life.
No, I agree, but this is not correct.
You agree me?
Yeah.
Yeah. And most of the pupils listen Bollywood songs in India.
Do you know that Tollywood songs are very best in the
But
Bollywood?
mostly people listen Bollywood songs.
Listen. I'm coming.
You also listen Bollywood songs.
Listen, I'm coming on that fact that there are many songs in the Tollywood which are converted into a Hindi language to listen full India.
But not most of the people are listens only Bollywood songs and makes reels on Instagram only Bollywood
It's depend on their choice. Okay, I listen Tollywood songs.
Most of the people's
As you know, brother, Bollywood movie is so best because you can see here Chandu Champion movie in which Kartik Aaryan gave his best, and it's a real based story. You know that. So Chandu Champion is about a real story, and it's an army movie. Like army man who is a boxer in it, and also swimmer, and in a fighting where when he's fighting with Pakistan army, then he got 6 to 5 bullets in his chest, so he survived it, and in future he become a good swimmer and a good boxer. So what about you tell in Tollywood movies?
As you know, Bollywood movies are really good, but they are so much drama-bazi. Like in that movie, literally, who can survive 6 bullets? That's so unreal.
No, it's a bro. It's a real story, real business story.
But it's very well
It's
looks
really
fake.
happens. No, it's not fake. It's really happens.
Okay, then I would like to
Fast.
tell you about a movie from Tollywood.